Hello everybody, welcome back to another OBX Week in My Life. If you're new here, my name is Danielle, welcome to the family. This is week 2, it is Sunday. I have to take these girls back to Raleigh tomorrow, but we got up this morning at 5:15. I was up, and we watched the sunrise, which we didn't know if it was actually going to happen, but it was beautiful. And then we went back to sleep for like 2 hours, got up, we went to Sam and Omi's for breakfast, and now we actually have a sunny day. We are going to accomplish a lot of things. We're going to go to the beach right now, we're going to do fish heads for lunch, which is one of my favorite places to go here, and then we're doing the thing that cannot be named. Because
it's not a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing. But it's every time we say we're going to do it, it starts raining, so we're not going to say it in hopes. But we're going to go have some fun on the beach today for a little bit, and then come back here, get cleaned up, and go and hopefully see a sunset for their last night here. So let's go accomplish this today. Alright y'all, last night here for the girls, so that means that we have to go to Jockey's Ridge. Every time we have said Jockey's Ridge or that we're going to Jockey's Ridge, or Kaitlyn has said Jockey's Ridge, it has started to rain. So it's been like Voldemort around here. So we are going tonight because it is cloudless and we're gonna see the sunset, but we're gonna go ahead and go because we wanna have the perfect timing.